Hey, what's up, guys? I just got home and it's like 12 a.m. right now. I just got home like 11, so we're gonna be unboxing this new product from Apple again, Power Mac. So this thing is a an Apple Pencil, first generation for the iPad 9. So so when I bought the iPad, I never get the Apple Pencil later when I bought it back in January. You can, You can watch my iPad 9 unboxing. I will link the video down in the description below if you want to watch that. So we're gonna be unboxing the first gen Apple Pencil. So be careful not to cut the box deeper because it will cut pencil through. And cut it. So here, just pull this. If you want to unbox it, just pull it like this. Put the cover. Get this in better angle. There we go. So here's the Apple Pencil, designed by Apple in California, right here. So in the box you will get your hold on the manual. You got your manual and your charging port. This one right here that you're gonna plug it into the pencil right here, and this one is your tip. It comes with a tip replacement. The second gen Apple Pencil did not came with that. So cool. The second generation Apple Pencil does not have that on my sister's iPad Pro. That's good. I don't even have a matte screen protector, so I'm able not to use it too much because it's gonna wear up the little tip. So here it is. Oh my gosh, this thing is small. It's like a pencil right here. This one kind of looks like it. Now that I must take it right. So here it is. Here's the Apple Pencil. So it's really small, and you got your silver thing. So here's your tip where you charge your Apple Pencil. There's two ways to charge it. There's one is gonna be this one in the box, this one here, or the one that you're gonna. Oops, let's drop the box. So, oops. So we're gonna be testing the Apple Pencil now. So, iPad, grab the iPad and I will not to hold it. Sorry, I accidentally hit this stop recording button, so let's plug it in. Here we go. Wait. Hold on. There it is. I'm gonna click here. And is it on? Wait, let me. Is it plugged? Oh my gosh. Wait, I think it's out of battery. The pencil's out of battery. Wait. Wait. Is it plugged in? Brand new in the box. It's out of battery. Brand new in the box. Dang it. Dang it. Why? It's dead it's dead out of the box. It's dead out of the box. Are you serious? Wait. Oh my gosh. It's dead out of the box. Are you kidding me? I just cut this video instead. Let's see if it works. This thing is out of battery. So here's the example right here. Ooh. What the heck? What the? Done. You check the settings. Oh, 97%, forget it. I thought that would be 0 because it was red. I thought that was gonna be dead out of the box. That was close. So I don't even I don't even know use it. My gosh. Why the heck I have that on there? Oh my gosh. Why do I have that in my note? What the hell? Oh my gosh. How the heck I get that out of there? Delete that crap out of me. So here's the example of your Apple Pencil. So we're gonna click Notes, and you're gonna. So there's a different options to this Apple Pencil. So I'll show you an example of how to use it. So I don't even have Procreate, so I'll just use Notes for now. So this is. I'll just write my name here. So this is just my name. Gotta do it lighter so I won't peel the pin away. Not too hard because there's no matte screen protector. I'm not gonna use it a bit too much. We're gonna write we're gonna write here. Wait.